This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be reviewing Model Freedom Part Lace Unit. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is the packaging of the unit. I have it in the style lace number 205 and the color is OT27. This is how the unit looks. It has a comb at the back, the drawstring, and two combs at the front of the unit. I'll be removing the lace from the unit, lay the baby hairs, and adding some powder to the parting space. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smile. Cause baby, I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Cause baby, I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. Baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. I am in love with this unit. As you can see guys, it took under 5 minutes to customize. It is easy to manage. It is a silky yaki texture. The wig size is big and friendly guys. The price of the unit is amazing. You can beat the price. You can also shift the hair guys to the side, but I wanted it to be the center. The unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees guys, so if you want to curl the hair, you can go ahead and curl the unit.
I received no shedding from the hair, guys. As you can see, I didn't have to block the hair. All I did was add the powder to the parting space and lay the baby hairs, guys, and my unit is fly. What do you all think of this unit, guys? Link to the unit is in the description down below, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, guys, walk good.
It's not your